Hello audience, you're welcome to Afolat Tutors. This is the second series on practical on Microsoft Excel. So in this series we'll be looking at how to identify cell address, how to enter data, and how to edit data. Now, in our previous series, we have learned how to load Microsoft Excel environment, and we have learned the various compositions like the columns and the cell. So now we'll be looking at how to identify cell address. This is a cell, this is another cell, this is another cell. Then how do we name this cell? We name a cell by looking at the column that corresponds to that cell and the row. So for instance, this cell corresponds to column C and row 3. So this is C3. Let's pick another example. Let's pick this. This cell corresponds to column D and row 5. So the name of this cell is D5. Let's pick another example. This is column C and row 4. So this is C4. This is column J and row 2. So this is J4. So next, let's look at how to enter data on this environment. This is sheet 1. To enter a data, whatever you type appears on the cell that is active. The active cell is always highlighted. So the active cell is A2. So whatever you type will appear on A2. Is that okay? So if I want to type in this cell, I have to come to this cell, then I will click. Or I use my right arrow to move. My right arrow moves to the right, left moves to the left, my top arrow moves up, while down arrow moves down. Now let's assume I want to type. I can start typing from cell A1. So this is cell A1, right? Then I will type. Let's assume I want to type serial number. You just start typing serial number. Now to type in this next cell, I will use my right arrow to move. Is that okay? Then I will type name. Then the next cell, I'll move right, the right arrow, then you type age. Is that okay? Now, let's assume I want to edit a particular cell. Let's assume I want to edit a particular cell. To edit a particular cell, I'll come to the cell, click, then I'll come to the formula bar, then you click, then you can type whatever you want to type on the cell. For instance, I want to change cell name, I want to change it to address. So this is A, this is name, this is age. To edit name, I'll come to name and click, then I'll come to the formula bar, click, then you change whatever you want to change. Let's assume I want to change it to address. Is that okay? When you are done, then you click enter. To edit any cell, you come to the cell, you click, then you come to the formula bar, you click, then you make your changes. Then you click enter. Is that okay? So that will be all for today. You can lay your hands on the following exercise. Thank you.